Hello everyone, welcome to All Things Flossy. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel and thank you all for sticking with me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made my chicken vegetable stir fry. For my ingredients, I have here chicken bouillon. I have here some crushed chili pepper. I have here some all-purpose soy sauce. I use the less sodium soy sauce. I have here my A1 thick sauce. I have here some sliced onions. I have some chopped garlic and ginger. And I have some salt. I also have my colorful bell peppers. I have the yellow, the green, and the red. I have here some broccoli. And I have some carrot. I have some chicken breast. And I have my cornstarch. Let's get started. So I'm going to start off by cutting my chicken into strips. Cut it all. And in a large enough bowl, I am going to add my cornstarch, just about 2 tablespoonfuls. I added about a half a tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of my A1 sauce, a little bit of salt, and a quarter of water. I'm gonna mix it all together. This is gonna be for the marinade of the chicken. Here I have my chicken in here, mix it together, and I will cover it and let it sit for about 30 minutes. So we're gonna marinate our chicken for 30 minutes. So here I am going to cut my peppers into thin slices. So I'm going to cut my carrot into desired shapes. This is the shape I want. You can actually use knife to do that, but I wanted the easy way out, so this is what I used. Here we have it. I'm going to boil my water and I am going to put my broccoli in it. It's gonna cook for 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. I do not want to overcook my broccoli. So after 2 minutes, I'll be taking it out. And when it's all out, to stop the cooking process, I will be running cold water on it. In my wok, I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil and I'll add my chicken. So I do not want to overcrowd my wok because if I put a lot of chicken, it's going to produce a lot of juice and I don't want a lot of juice in my stir fry. And I have a lot of the chicken, so I'll be cooking it in bits. I'm gonna cook it until it's all golden brown and I'll take it out. And so I'll continue this process until all the chicken has been cooked. So this is what I have after. Now I'll be adding my onions, my sliced onions. Add my chopped garlic and ginger. Mix it together. I will be adding my crushed chili pepper. You can opt out of this option, but I wanted spicy, that's why I did it. But if you don't like spicy, just take it out. Now I'll be adding all my peppers together, the red, the green, and the yellow. I'll be adding my broccoli. I didn't overcook it, it's still crunchy. If you want it raw, you can just cook it like that too. I'll be adding my carrots, thin sliced, and I will mix it together. I'm just tasting for salt, but it's okay. I will be adding the rest of my soy sauce. So in all, I used 3 tablespoonfuls of soy sauce, and I'll add the rest of the A1 thick sauce too. So that's about a teaspoonful. Now I will add my chicken. I have a lot of seasoning around the chicken, so it's gonna compensate for everything else. Mix it all together. And here we have it, our chicken vegetable stir fry. You can enjoy this with anything. I did enjoy mine with rice, but you can also have it just like that. Here we go. So easy to make and very, very simple. If you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up. Tell your girl she's doing a good job. And thank you all for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscription button, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Until my next video, ye all stay graced up. Love you all, and bye-bye.